Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the cloth modifier. It will be simple. I'm just showing you how to apply a cloth to an object, okay? So this is not an advanced tutorial, okay? So what I'm going to do is right now I'm going to add a UV sphere and I'm going to add a plane. I'm going to scale it and going to subdivide it to 25. Okay, so I'm going out, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a modifier on this plane. Okay, I'm going to add a cloth because I want this to be a cloth, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add this as a collision. I'm going to put this one here, this as a cloth, and yeah, I will leave this as it is because I am not going to explain it in advanced way, just how to do it. Okay, and what I'm going to do is that this is our collision. I'm going to play it like this. I like something like this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply this. Okay, Control A, and I applied it. Okay, I'm going to bring this cloth here, and as you see is that like that, or we can redo it. How we can redo it? Let's redo it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to make this less number. Okay, I'll make it 20. Okay, so like this, and I'm going to add a cloth, and I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put a collision, and I'm going to see, I'm going to leave everything like this, and this is the collision, and let's play it something like this. Okay, it's not bad, but we can scale it. Yeah, let's scale it something like this, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to okay, I'm going to apply this, Control A and G, bring it here, and I'm going to add a solidify, so I can give it a thickness. Okay, I can give it a thickness like this, something near to this, yeah, like this, and I'm going to give a subdivision, something like this. Let's minimize the solidify and make it more, and I'm going to shade smooth it, something like a cloth is going to appear, you see. And we can apply this and apply this. Let me apply this, you see, or we can apply first for this one and then this one, same. And I'm going to put the origin to the geometry. Okay, and this is it. I hope the tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.